Search for JointBreX and you'll land in an unusual spot. One set of review sites will tell you, in almost identical language, that it's a verified and legitimate joint health supplement, while at least one other source will just as confidently call it an exposed scam with a dismal user rating, and both can't be fully right. That contradiction is worth sitting with before trusting either verdict. JointBreX is marketed as a daily capsule supplement for joint comfort and mobility, with a label listing ingredients like turmeric, coleus friscoli, and black pepper extract, all botanicals with a long history of general use. Though that's different from proof the specific combination and dose meaningfully improves joint pain or flexibility. The brand states its product is made in an FDA-registered facility, which is a manufacturing claim, not the same as FDA approval or evaluation of the product's actual effectiveness. Since dietary supplements aren't reviewed by the FDA the way medications are, orders appear to be processed through Buy Goods, a third-party payment platform used by a range of supplement sellers, with listed customer support contacts and a stated 60-day money-back guarantee. What I couldn't do is independently confirm which side of the online debate is closer to accurate. I didn't find a published clinical trial on the finished JointBreX formula itself, and many of the glowing reviews online come from sites that appear to earn a commission when you buy through their link, worth knowing before treating their conclusions as neutral. The harshest negative claims I found also came from a single source without independently verifiable sourcing for its specific numbers, so I won't repeat those figures as confirmed fact either. Given real, disclosed ingredients, a working refund process, and identifiable order support channels, JointBreX doesn't show the clearest signs of an outright scam. But the health claims built around it outpace what's independently verifiable. If joint pain is an ongoing issue for you, talk to a doctor directly. Read the actual label and guarantee terms on the official checkout page rather than any third-party summary. And treat both the enthusiastic and the alarmist reviews online with the same degree of skepticism.